What's up, guys? JTech here. This will be a quick video on MetaMask, what it is and how to install it. Let's begin. So what is MetaMask? Well, at its core, it is a software cryptocurrency wallet. There are three main types of cryptocurrency wallets: software, hardware, and paper wallets. These fall into two categories: hot and cold wallets. A hot wallet is a crypto wallet that is always connected to the internet, while a cold wallet is a crypto wallet that is not connected to the internet. MetaMask is also a non-custodial wallet. This is important because non-custodial wallets are wallets in which only the user has control over their keys. In comparison to custodial wallets, they are wallets where a third party takes custody of the private keys on behalf of the user. So MetaMask is a hot, software, non-custodial wallet. I can always take a deeper dive into types of crypto wallets in another video. Next, MetaMask is a browser extension. Supported browsers for MetaMask include Google Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge, and Opera. Finally, MetaMask is also a mobile app. MetaMask supports both iOS and Android devices. All right, now we know what MetaMask is. Let's install it. All right, so we're on my desktop now. What we're going to do is we're going to open up a MetaMask supported browser. We're going to go to the search bar here. We're going to type in MetaMask. I'm going to search for that. And then the first link that should pop up is metamask.io. Click there. Should be a blue download link in the middle of the page. Download for whatever browser you're on. And there's another blue button that says Add to Brave. Add extension. And we wait for that to download. Shouldn't take too long. And then it should automatically open after it finishes. Okay, so now we gotta check this box here. It says I agree. So we're gonna hit this blue button here to create a new wallet. And then here it says help us improve MetaMask. I think I'm just gonna hit agree here. Totally up to you guys if you wanna hit no thanks. All right, so now we're gonna wanna create a password. We'll probably wanna do a strong password here. Just for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna put in password 123. But I highly recommend, it says weak. We want this password there to say strong. Okay, so once you have your password figured out, we're going to click this box here that says I understand. Then we're going to click this blue button that says create new wallet. All right, so now we're looking at our passphrase here. So this video here is very helpful if you've never dealt with passphrases before. Highly recommend you watch it. So if you want your crypto and assets to be secure, we're going to click this blue button on the right that says secure my wallet. Your recovery phrase is something we never give out to anyone, but these tips here I highly recommend reading. Now we are going to reveal our recovery phrase. We are going to save it because this recovery phrase is what keeps our crypto and assets safe. Like MetaMask suggests, we are going to write the 12-word recovery phrase down and store it in multiple secret places. So now that you have it saved and written down, what we're going to do is on the next step here, after we click the blue next button, it's going to ask for parts of the phrase to be inputted so it confirms our recovery phrase. My missing words and empty boxes will be different than yours, but just fill them in with your recovery phrase and this will confirm it. Once done, we're going to hit confirm here. Nice. Now our MetaMask wallet is set up. So now once we hit got it here, we now have access to buy, sell, swap, tokens, assets, cryptocurrency, all within our MetaMask crypto wallet now. Now that we finished the setup of the crypto wallet, we can send, receive cryptocurrencies. We can connect other hardware wallets. There's a lot we can do, but the main goal of this video is to show you how to create the MetaMask crypto wallet. We now can integrate easily with other Web3 projects. Hopefully this tutorial is fast and easy to understand. Any comments or questions, leave them down below. I plan on making future content linking other wallets with Web3 games and projects. Don't forget to like, dislike, and subscribe. Till the next video. See you guys.